What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars. I like to do these kind of videos, guys, where it's just one channel, just give you a quick episode, or if I'm just really busy and just want to get a video out for you. If you're new to the channel, please do click on the subscribe button. That would be absolutely fucking brilliant. Even better if you want to smash the like button. Check out my other videos at the end of the video as well, and do get involved, do comment below. I do read all your comments and I do reply as well. On today's quick episode, guys, we're just be covering Hycade. This guy is like one of my favorite render of body kits I've ever seen. He's absolutely so talented, and I'm still surprised nobody's picked him up yet. His channel is just epic. If you're into rendered body kits, highly recommend checking this video out and checking out his other videos. This one, I have a lot of catching up to do, as you know. This body kit on this Huracan is probably the my most favorite body kit I've ever seen in a render. I basically ended up tagging TJ Hunt and Street Hunter Designs on Instagram with Hycade just because it was so epic. So yeah, I'm just going to give you a quick clip of it. Highly recommend go check out the video. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below and what you think of his channel. Here you go. And there you have it, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it. I just absolutely love the way he's after making this kit. He got all the lines right. It just really suits the Huracan. I don't know what, it's so aggressive looking. The wheels, the wide arch on it, everything about that kit is just, I mean, if I was rich and I had the money, you know, I would buy this kit and I'd be getting RDBLA or somebody or whoever to get the kit fitted. Get a nice wrap in it, just the amount of possibilities you could do. And some of his other videos are absolutely fucking epic as well. I mean, the guy is ridiculously talented. I think the last time I saw his channel, he was near 60,000 subs. He's now around 95,000, so he's going to be hitting that 100,000 sub mark soon. Usually when you go over the 100,000 sub mark, you start getting pretty noticed by other car YouTubers. And he deserves it. I mean, his renders are just fucking ridiculously good. I just had to bring up this quick video for you guys to show you. Yeah, again, guys, just check out the video. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Would you put this kit on your Huracan or not? And yeah, I just said I'd just bring you this quick video. So that is it will be for today. I'm sorry it's not a longer one. I've just been kind of busy. It's midweek, you know, gym, work, all that kind of stuff. So my next video, I probably should have a longer one out then for you. So until then, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Do check out my other videos. Smash the like button, pretty please, and the subscribe button. Until the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.